Kale is the star of the show in this smoothie. I packed fruit, fiber, and protein into this to make it taste delicious while also balancing your blood sugar to keep you full all morning. Hey there, I'm Molly Thompson from What Molly Made. Welcome back to my kitchen where we make good food that makes you feel good too. Today we are making the best kale smoothie. I'm always looking for ways to balance my blood sugar for my PCOS, and a smoothie in the morning is the best way to do that. Plus I'm sharing a few tips to keep this extra thick and creamy. Let's start with the base of this recipe and why it's so great to balance blood sugar. We followed the Fab 4 formula coined by a well-known nutritionist, and I saw massive results when I started incorporating these balanced smoothies to my daily routine. The Fab 4 includes protein, fat, fiber, and greens. The greens in this recipe are, of course, kale. Make sure to wash and dry it well, then rip the leaves off the stems with your hands. No need to grab a knife. Add the kale to a high-speed blender with 2/3 a cup of unsweetened almond milk. Make sure you use something unsweetened if you're planning to swap this out, and avoid an oat milk if you can. An unsweetened nut milk is best. Blend this on high until minimal pieces of kale are left. This is my secret tip to blending greens and making the most creamy smoothies. It should look like a green milk or green juice when you're done. Next, we're going to add 1 serving of vanilla protein powder. We love the Be Well by Kelly protein powder because of its macronutrient makeup and quality ingredients. You can use any vanilla protein powder you like, just consider avoiding ones with any added sugar or dairy like whey if you're balancing hormones. After the protein, add 1 to 2 tablespoons of your favorite nut butter. You could also use a tablespoon of MCT oil if you have that on hand. For fiber, we're using acacia fiber or 1 tablespoon of chia seeds. I love these ingredients because they help balance blood sugar and support our gut health. Don't skip on the fiber. Most people don't get enough day to day. Another tip for extra creamy and thick smoothies is using frozen fruit and veggies. It gives them the best consistency. So we're using a 1/2 cup of frozen banana, 1/3 a cup of frozen pineapple, and 1/2 cup of frozen cauliflower. An optional flavor for anti-inflammatory benefits is fresh ginger. I love the zing it gives this recipe and how well it pairs with the kale and pineapple. Blend it all up again for a few minutes until it's really smooth. It may take you a little longer if you don't have a high-speed blender like a Vitamix. Add more almond milk as needed if you want it a little bit thinner. I hope you found some of these smoothie tips helpful. The kale and the pineapple combine together for the perfect sweet flavor, and I love knowing that I'm getting all the macro and micronutrients my body needs first thing in the morning. Make sure you drop a comment below. I would love to know what you think about this recipe and get to know you. If you need more smoothie inspo, check out these 4 blood sugar balancing smoothies.